Okay. All right, where are we? I know we're all wondering, where are we? We are nowhere near Chicago. We're actually on the other end of Illinois. This is interesting. This is what I was worried about. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, we are in... Huh? What? Oh, shoot. See how prepared I am. I'm hiding my license plate. Maybe I was doing that on purpose. Alright. Thank you. Alright, where are we? We are in Galena, Illinois. Right on the Mississippi River. Go ahead, kid. You're good. You're good. There's a lot of Boy Scouts here. A lot of scouts. It's interesting. I don't know what kind of event it is today, but anyway, we're in Galena, Illinois. A town founded in 1826. An important port between St. Paul, Minnesota and St. Louis, Missouri. Missouri. Basically allowed the town to prosper because it was such a port down the Mississippi. There's hotels here, restaurants, places for people to stay. And as you can see, it is popping. It is absolutely popping on a Saturday afternoon. This is about as far as you can get from Chicago while still staying in Illinois, unless you go south. Live music in that place. Yeah, this town is amazing. It just has such an old school American feel. A lot of brick. And it's in a valley as well. So hills on both sides. A river on that side. And then to the left here, I'm going to show you the oldest house in Galena. The first one. Right there, 1826, Galena's oldest house, the Dowling House. You could take tours of that. Go inside, check it out. See what it was like. It's a wooden house. Alright, I'm gonna take a right here, I think. Yeah. Back down, I'll show you the blacksmith shop. The original blacksmith shop, where they would make horseshoes for your horses and anything else you may need. Oh. Alright, nobody's going. Here's the blacksmith shop on the left. Blacksmith. It's amazing how a town in America so far away from everything else can still stay so, what's the word I'm looking for? Vibrant? Alive? It's beating. It's like a beating heart. People still come here. It's not abandoned like a lot of towns out west. It's still a great American city. Look at these fellas. Must have been some kind of parade here or something. Old post office. It actually is still a post office. Oh, cool. Cool, cool. Oh yeah, I'll show you the main gate. The main gate to the city. Which is kind of interesting, because why would they want to close it? For what reason? Yeah, so many churches here as well. Yeah, here's the main gate, the opening to the city. Flood control project. Okay, that's what they say, huh? That's what they say. Flood or to keep the people in? What is it? Wow, look at that. What's going on over there? Bunch of tents. Oh, it must be like a war reenactment or something. That's cool. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. That explains why there's so many scouts here.
Like 6 or 8 thousand.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Should I go right? I should go right. And a lot of bed and breakfasts around here as well. That would be fun. Fun weekend in Galena. I'm like climbing a mountain. My goodness. All right. Made it to the top. Imagine if I was on a bicycle. That would suck. There's the town down below. And these people were probably the wealthy owners of the steel companies, the mills, the blacksmith shops, the railroad, etc., etc. And now a lot of them are guest houses where you could overlook the city, stairs everywhere that you could walk down to, the main strip. Look at this turn. No way. Oh, it's a no outlet. Okay. I don't know if I've ever been to this section of Galena. Actually, it does not look familiar one bit. But as you can see, resembles San Francisco a little bit, if you've ever been there. It's quite steep. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but we're literally at like a 45-degree angle, maybe even more. It's crazy. I'm just letting the bike go. I'm not even throttling, and going 20 miles an hour while holding the rear brake. A lot of buildings like this used to be schoolhouses. Little school rooms for the children, different grades. Yeah, we're just taking a leisurely stroll today. Just rode all the way here from Chicago. It was quite windy today, but it was beautiful weather, absolutely beautiful. I wouldn't say I feel drained. I feel relaxed, full of relaxation, mentally and physically. We're gonna go left here. I guess this guy's going left. All right. I don't know when Boy Scouts get take their driving test, but might have been a late bloomer. And then we're gonna take a right here. Oh no, we're gonna go straight. Galena Old Town District. So this must be where they first settled in 1826. That's what the sign said, at least. This might have been the main street. Kind of seems like it. A little bit. That's just an assumption, but maybe they realized that down in the valley was a bit nicer. Decided to do that instead. Alright, we are officially lost. I'm going to end this video right here and possibly hook back and make another one. Because, yeah, alright.